Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you will be greatly blessed with health. And today's our topic is one grain of rice. And it's today's lecture is the fifth lecture of this topic. And in today's activity, we have the book activities of page number 26 and 27. Here we have the two sentences. Sana is mature, but Rida is immature. Zainab is an uneducated girl. Mature and immature. What's the difference between these two ones? In this, both are the opposite of each other. To make opposite of each other, we add the just I am. This is a prefix. And the word is educated. In the second sentence, we can say that word is educated. And educated means पढ़ा लिखा होना. Uneducated mean ना पढ़ा लिखा, यानी कि अपोजिट है उसका. Un or I am and un are the prefixes. What's the definition of the prefixes? Prefix is a letter or group of letters placed at the beginning of a word to make a new word. We can see that these are the two words, immature and uneducated. हमने इनको अपोजिट बनाने के लिए या इनको न्यू वर्ड बनाने के लिए कुछ लेटर्स ऐड किए हैं इनके आगाज़ में. जैसे मेच्योर के ऐड में क्या ऐड किया है, आई एम, इट बिकम्स इमेच्योर. एंड एजुकेटेड के और एजुकेटेड के बिगिनिंग में यू एन ऐड किया है. By adding the I am and un, the word becomes new words and they have the different meanings. Okay, here we have the few sentences, few words about of whom we have to change into according to the prefixes of their. Perfect, imperfect, proper, improper, moral, immoral. Moral mean अखलाकी, proper mean अच्छे अंदाज से यानी कि complete, perfect मुकम्मल. polite mean अच्छे अंदाज से. impolite mean अपोजिट है इसका, तो यानी कि बुरे अंदाज से. possible मुमकिन, impossible mean नामुमकिन. pure mean खालिस, impure mean नाखालिस. Okay, here we can see that prefixes un, this, mis, miss, in and il form opposites of the words. जब हम ये वर्ड्स ऐड करते हैं तो ये क्या करते हैं, दूसरे वर्ड्स के अपोजिट बनाते हैं. Okay, here we have the more words activity. Add il to the following words. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी प्रीफिक्सेस में il शामिल है, यानी कि उनको न्यू वर्ड बनाने में il ऐड किया जाता है. लाइक द लीगल, इलीगल. लीगल मीन कानूनी, इलीगल मीन गैर कानूनी. लिटरेट मीन पढ़ा लिखा होना, इलिटरेट मीन अनपढ़. इलिटरेट. लॉजिकल यानी कि किसी बात में कोई मंतिक होना, यानी कोई प्रॉपर रीज़न होना. लीजिबल मीन जायज़. इलिजिबल मीन नाजायज़. ओके, here we have the some words for prefixes. polite, impolite. limited, unlimited. kind, unkind. unkind mean बेरहम. complete, incomplete. educated, uneducated. logical, illogical. honest and dishonest. Dear students, we have, by adding these words un, dis, this, in, I am and il, we make the opposites of the words. Here we can see the solution of the following words: polite, impolite, limited, unlimited, kind, unkind, complete, incomplete, educated, uneducated, logical, illogical, honest, and dishonest. Dear students, this is a way in which we can create our new words, and it's very easy and you can do it very easily. And try your best to do on your book page number 26 and 27, and also learn its definition from book page number 26. And take care of yourself and your loved one. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.